And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the Laser Master 2 Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out muchplot1130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. This one is by ORTUR, and basically it's a laser engraver. You guys can check out the link down below if you want to get one yourself. So some literature right there, and then the whole assembly right here. Of course, safety glasses, and there you go. That's everything in the box. Now let's assemble it. Here we go. First, for the assembly, there is the bracket. Put it on like that. Then you're gonna attach one of the other things there to make it fit there. It'll just slide in through like so. Okay, key points before you install everything: make sure that's inside, or else you won't be able to install the other parts. That's what it looks like right now. Now from the track on the end right here, you would just slide in the laser engraver like so. Installing the footings now right there. That's where we're going to use the little slider there earlier. Install the limit switch by doing this with the little nuts there. We've got the module right here, Laser Master 2 Pro. Now we're just going to install the feet for it. Go ahead and install that part right there. Now we're going to plug in the Y connector right there. Y connector right here, and then little 2 screws there to connect the belt onto the machine. Laser module right there just slides right down. I attach this as well on the belt going into the head module right there, and then 2 screws will go into this to attach it to the machine. I've attached that X-axis on there as well, and then we'll put a cable tie right up to here where it's coming from the back. Went ahead and attached the focal gauge right there with the little nut in the middle there. Just put it right there. There you go. I will attach the ground right there and the cables right up there. I believe the black or the red goes to common, and then the black is normally open. We'll make sure later on that it does work. I did the same thing on the other side. Now we've attached the cable for the laser right there. Make sure to ground it as well. That's attached to the L connector right here with an extra cord. That's how you adjust and keep it on whatever level you want the laser will be. A little thumb screw there. Now let's go ahead and install the timing belt, making sure that everything is tight as well. It'll have to be going upwards like this, and then you're just gonna attach it in the very end here. Gotta take off the screw, and then you're just gonna push it in the hole like so. Just make sure it's pretty tight. Just hand pull it and then tighten it with the screws. Make sure you leave a fairly long slack as well on the ends. Now, of course, safety first, right? Now, the last thing you need to do is to plug this into your computer. We are using the MacBook Air M1 right now. So it does work with the newest M1, and it has the USB there and the power cord. Just plug it all in and you should be good to go. The link is in the description below, so I'll put everything there so that you can download and go to their website. You can download driver softwares there as well. It'll work for Mac and PC as well. For the Mac, we will be using the LightBurn, and I've heard in the reviews that this is one of the best softwares for laser engraving. I'm really excited to use this. Once you've downloaded the software, let's go ahead and open this up. We are just going to use the trial version here as well. There's a lot of tutorials as well online for LightBurn, but right now we're just going to show you the basic stuff like adding a new device right here. So we're just going to discover the new device right here, as you could see. Once you verify that this is our device, let's go ahead and add device right there. Now you could change the name of it as well. And then we're just going to go with where the front left, where our laser, the origin of our laser, yes it is. So we're just gonna hit next and you're done. That's it, that's all. Now that our LaserMaster 2 Pro is connected to our computer via LightBurn, we can go ahead, we can start laser engraving. Rule of thumb though, I like to just kill the LightBurn here and restart it again. The initial setup, the laser will go to its home, which is on the 0 on the X and Y axis. Once the console on the LightBurn tells us that we're good to go, we are ready to design our first laser engraving. Now all the tools is on the left side there. We're just gonna do a simple text. We're just gonna go with Tech TRX right here and engrave that to one of the wood that came in the box. Now the location little arrow there will tell the laser where it should be centered on. So make sure to put it on the grids to make it easier for us to identify. You can also hit the frame button there on the right side on the laser so that you can control and it'll show you where the framing will be so that you can align your wood. You can also move the text around, edit it to whatever font you want. There's a lot of options here. Now, if you go to cut and layers, you can change the pass count to whatever you want. You can change the speed, the power max, and min percentages as well, which is really cool. You may not get this the first time, but once you are ready to go, you can hit the start button to start lasering. During this process as well, it'll emit a bunch of smoke. So make sure you are in a well ventilated area, maybe on a garage or something like that, or have a ventilator above you. Now, if this is not enough, you can go over it again, adjust your settings or whatever, and then have it pass through a few times as well. It's really up to you what your goal is here, but I like how it's really cool here. And you could see that the laser is very precise and it's very small, so it can get through that little spaces there, no matter what the design might be, which is really cool. For those of you who are wondering if this is too hard for beginners, this is actually the first time I've been using this. I have assembled it myself. The instructions are really good from the box, so I would recommend this for everyone who wants to start doing laser etching and laser engraving. It does work really well, as you could see here. It does take a bit of time depending on how much detail you want to sketch, but I think this is really good for most people who wants to start doing this kind of things. Oh, that's really cool. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new laser engraver. This one is by ORTUR LaserMaster 2 Pro. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.